Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Alicia. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate that. Today's video is going to be an interesting one. I am going to attempt to do brow lamination on my eyebrows. So I've been really liking that whole fluffy brow look and I've been able to achieve that with makeup. But then when I saw this whole brow lamination thing going on, I thought it was really interesting. And I was really intrigued, so I really want to try it. So what I did was I ordered a lash lift kit off Amazon. Before I begin, I have to say, obviously, try this at your own risk. I'm not a professional, so yeah, I just have to say that. But let's get on with it. I'm really excited. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit. Tie my hair back. So I've cleaned my lashes with the micellar water, but I will go over it again with the cleanser that they provide in the kit. So here's a little before shot. I grew out my brow hairs just to do this, so they look so tragic right now. I've got like pretty long brow hairs. Let's do this. The first step is to glue these babies into place. I've just got a little spoolie to help me do this. I'm just gonna do what makes sense to me. So I'm gonna start by coating the eyebrow with this glue. Okay, that's looking a little bit better. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side and then come back. Okie dokie. I kind of already like the way this is looking. Let's apply the perm solution. So now they are completely coated. Plastic wrap over them. And setting a timer for 8 minutes. That was 8 minutes. Gonna take this off. I've got to clean off some of the solution. Kind of put this back into the shape that I want. This brow's fine. This brow looking a little weird. Dang, these look cool. Okay, 8 minutes up. By the way, I don't feel itchy or anything, so that's good. The next step is the nourishing oil. So last step is to cleanse. I'll be using their cleanser as well as my micellar water to kind of like go over that, just to make sure nothing is left over. Kind of fluff them up again. This is the final look. I actually really like the way they turned out. Super fluffy. I am done my brow lamination and I think it was a success. Yeah, I really like them. Cool. So this is what they look like from far. If you guys enjoyed this video, once again, please hit the subscribe button, turn that bell on if you like what you see, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!